Hi, welcome to my model course. Today we are making the miniature fly sheet with our DIY kit. So let's dive right in. In this tutorial we are making the fly sheet scale 1/20th for Schleich. It's exactly the same process for a fly sheet for Breyer horse's traditional scale 1/9, it's just larger. First, let's see what's inside the kit. You have the pre-cut fabric, ribbon and thread, the Rio Rondo miniature buckles, and miniature pins. You also have the instructions included. Now let's start crafting. Lay out the two pre-cut fabric pieces. Apply some glue along the top edges of the fabric. Press the right sides together firmly to glue them down. Secure with miniature pins. Allow the glue to dry completely. Then turn the blanket right side out. Place the blanket on the model horse's back. Use mini clothespins to secure it in place to give it the right shape. Now, starting from the wither area, apply a thin line of glue to the edge of the fabric. Carefully glue on the thread, working slowly and allowing each section to dry before moving on. Take your time. Try to be as precise as possible. Continue gluing the thread around the rest of the edges until you reach the starting point. Cut off any excess thread and glue the end of the ribbon down. Cut a piece of ribbon of 9 cm for Schleich and 18 cm for Breyer. Glue the ribbon down along the horse's back, aligning it with the fabric junction. Fold the ribbon over at each end and glue it down under the fly sheet. Now let's make the belly straps. Cut 4 pieces of ribbon of 5 cm for Schleich and 10 cm for Breyer. Thread one ribbon through the slide buckle. And glue it down around the center bar of the sliding buckle. Repeat the process for the second belly strap. Glue the straps down on the part of the blanket with the belly cover at 1 cm from the edges, leaving 1 cm between the straps for Schleich and 1.5 cm for Breyer. Make sure to make it symmetrical. If you misplace it, promptly remove it before it dries. And try again. Cut off any excess ribbon. Now take the 2 remaining pieces of ribbon. Glue them down onto the other side of the blanket, carefully and symmetrically. Glue approximately 1.5 centimeters of ribbon on the blanket for Schleich and 3 centimeters for Breyer. Cut a piece of ribbon of 3 centimeters for Schleich and 5 centimeters for Breyer. Thread the ribbon through the buckle. And glue it down around the center bar of the buckle. Glue the ribbon down on the side of the sheet at 1.5 centimeters of the bottom edge for Schleich and 3 centimeters for Breyer. Finally, cut a piece of ribbon of 5 centimeters for Schleich and 7 centimeters for Breyer. Glue the ribbon on the other side, aligning it with the buckle. Your fly sheet is done. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that this creation will be the first of many.
If you like tag making, don't forget to check out our website for more tag kits, collect model horses, and 3D prints. Bye!